Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to naturally remove dark circles in Photoshop. So let's just start. So hit the Ctrl J on your keyboard to make a copy of the background layer. Then select the background layer and then hit the create new layer button to create a layer between them. And then select layer 1, go to filter and then convert for smart filters and then hit OK. Then you go back to filter, select other, high pass, and then from the value of 0.1 start increasing it till you get to the point where you begin to see the dark circles. So I'm going to stop at 4.7 and then hit OK. Now I'm going to hold the Alt option and then click on the line between these two layers. OK, and then I'm going to go to the blending mode and select overlay. Now that is done, I'm going to go to my eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool. Now I'm going to select the second layer. Then I'm going to make sure that my sample is on current and below, and then the average, the sample size is 5x5 average. So with the eyedropper tool selected, I'm going to zoom in on the eye. Now I'm going to select my brush tool. So I'm going to sample on a brighter area and I'm going to paint. Oh, now it's too much, so I'm going to undo that and then I'm going to decrease my flow. And I keep doing it till I get exactly what I want. And that's looking good. Alright, thank you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that anytime I put a video, you'll be the first to know.